All right, here we are. More fun of bead rolling. I'm here with Chad, Hammer by Hand on Instagram.
Yep.
And so if you watch the first fun of bead rolling video, we had this Eastwood bead roller with a stock handle, and it was herky-jerky and whatnot, and just mounted into a vise. So today must have been my birthday because Chad came over and made this awesome stand and all this for me for the bead roller.
See a need, fill a need.
Yep. It's got like 1.5 inch tubing on the back to straighten this, to support this, so the thing doesn't go like that when it's rolling. We got a pivot plate with a locking pin you can put in it.
What's different about this one is that the frame of the Eastwood on this particular model was cast iron, so you couldn't really weld. You know, you see a lot of the Harbor Freight upgrades where the guys are just welding the either more plate or tubing to the back of it, but you couldn't do that with this one because of it being cast. So instead I thought it would be a better idea to just bolt the reinforcements right through the rope and handle grabs per se, where the plates are in the front.
So he shows up with this piece on the back, just with a straight up and down piece and this vise mount, and it was going to be like this in the vise. I'm like, well, that's good. But what if I want to work on it like this? So we cut it all apart, and I had some steel circles here. So he welded those up, put an axle in there and a pin, so now it can spin 100 or 360 degrees, and you can pin it down where you want it. And then this had the long handle on it. And he's like, yo, it'd be nice if we had a steering wheel. I'm like, how about a heavy equipment handle? And I go over and pull this out of the thin air, this old cast iron turn of the century wheel with a suicide knob on it that I got off a piece of equipment at a junkyard, like an old roller or a grater or something. And this thing's probably 80 years old, but it's the freaking nuts for this. So we welded it on here, and he also made a adjustment handle for the pressure adjuster. So let's see how it works. Got a piece of 18 gauge here. I'll start it and put the pressure on it.
Shoot.
And I got the wheel here. I can just wheel the wheel real nice. And the wheel is nice because you don't have to fight with the straight handle with the going around drop. You can roll right through it with even pressure for something like this, or you're trying to roll around different shapes. There's a nice little corner detail. If we're doing a Dodge pickup tailgate, that'd be a nice surround for like a 41 Dodge. But I also got the suicide knob here, so if you're rolling something smaller, you can crank on this a little thinner. But really appreciate Chad coming out and taking the time to make this. This is freaking awesome. When I get the Quick Speed Shop t-shirts made, he's going to get one. Just want to show you how you can upgrade a bead roller to make it a little more functional. Go to hashtag quickspeedshop on Instagram, or hashtag hammered
by hand
on Instagram, and check it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.